What's the meaning of bottle bank? Bottle bank. Bottle bank.
Bottle bank. Bottle bank. A bottle bank refers to a container or receptacle used for collecting recyclable glass bottles. These containers are often located in public areas such as parks, shopping centers, and restaurants. The aim of a bottle bank is to encourage individuals to dispose of their glass bottles safely and in an environmentally friendly manner by providing a convenient and easily accessible location to do so. The collected bottles can then be processed and recycled into new glass products, reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills and contributing to a more sustainable future.